Hello friends, I'm Avinash. Today I'll show you how to make 3D your WhatsApp profile. Now let's begin. First you can open the WhatsApp, then you can take a screenshot of your profile. I can take screenshot, then you can download one application. This application name is Pixel Lab. I can give link in the description box. You can download it on the description box in this app. Now let's open this app. Then in the first you can delete this one. Then okay, you can see the third number option. You can click here, click the import, then the screenshot. You can take the screenshot here, then you can crop like this, then you can make big, then you can see here. Then you can go to 3D rotate. Here you can click the 3D rotate, and you can make here like 3D, make it 3D like this. Then click the right option, then go to 3D shape, then you can enable this one, then you can make it 3D effect like this, then it will make it 3D. Then you can make in like this also. I can make this like this, then you can make like this also, and make like this. You can rotate also like this. Then here you can see we can make like this also, rotate. Then I make like this. Then you can see the light is here. You can make light also. Then click the right, then click this. You can make then go to emboss, then enable this, then it will make light also very nicely, that it will like a 3D. Then you can click here the photo, then click the SD card, then click the save as image, then click the save to gallery. Now it will save to your gallery. Then you can make a profile on your WhatsApp friends. Okay friends, if you like this video, please click the like option. If you're new in this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to see my new videos first. Okay, bye.